morning. It's early, but it's opening day of 2022 Wisconsin gun season. Jacked up. Me and brother Jake are going to be out there today. Peterson Outdoor Films always bringing in new stuff. Great quality, the best we can. We always keep it real. That's the biggest thing. Pride ourselves on keeping it real. Always remember, check us out on Instagram. And it's cold. It says it feels like 4. It's a west-southwest wind at 15 right now. And I think they're saying gusts up to 30. But it's been a long time since we've actually had snow on opening day in Wisconsin. So I'm kind of excited it helps. I mean, deer just stick out a little better. Should be interesting. I'm going to start out in a ladder stand in the morning where I was last year opening morning because I got a lot of bucks at transition opening morning through this bedding area on this lane. Then in the afternoon I was transitioned down to a box blind. And brother Jake will be sitting on his usual spot where he stares down a road. And we will see what happens. Sometimes opening weekends things can get crazy. Either natural movement or we just get a lot of pressure deer that like to come into our woods. So brother Jesse will actually be out with me later this afternoon as the plan. He's going to sit with me tonight. So stick with us. Hopefully things get crazy. I hope by the time everybody's seen this that you shot the big one or had a great season, and most importantly, safety, family, and fun. That's the main thing. I mean, this is a tradition that goes way back. This is Wisconsin and many other states. So stick with us. Hopefully things get good. And I love hearing the freaking rifles start cracking opening day. It's like, oh, it's so sweet. So like I said, let's get it rolling. I'm shooting a 270 old smoke pole. Jake's got a 308. Jesse's got a 30-06. And hopefully we can get into some. It'd be nice to lay down a nice buck, but we'll see. It's windy and it's cold. But that's deer hunting. No risk, no reward. So we'll catch you out in the woods. Alright folks, a little morning update here. It's noon. I shot a big doe this morning. I saw, I believe, 17 deer in my first sit where I was in my stand. I passed a little buck and shot a really nice big mature doe. I did not get it on film, bear with me. I went to move my camera arm this morning and it sounded like I was holding a red-tailed hawk because it was frozen so bad. So I did not have camera gear running, but I was freezing because I was in a ladder stand and Jake's just a little ways away from me and I'm blind with a heater. And he goes, well, hey, why don't you just come warm up with me for a little bit? And he's seen a bunch of deer now, past a little buck. And he had a bunch of does, but they're a long ways away. And so just wait, you know, he knows. He'll get a chance closer. We're sitting there like a half hour or so and went like 275 yards away. As you can see, here he is. Peterson Outdoor Films. And all of a sudden I go to lean forward and I look out the left of his blind window. And it's like, I'm right coming. I'm like, oh, there's one standing here at like 50 yards. Well, he's like, gets his gun up. He's like, no, there's 3. So I grabbed his camera he has in the Mad Dash. And we decided the one in the back was the bigger doe. And she starts walking. He stopped her and he frickin' pounded her. So my deer's dead. I know that. His, we'll probably just let it go for a while. I mean, when the smoke comes out the sides, probably didn't go 20. But yeah, we'll catch up with you. Little brother Jesse's going to be out here this afternoon. And him, he'll head to the East Road where I gun on in the afternoon. Usually that gets pretty wild in the afternoon. So stick with us and we'll keep the footage coming.
Opening day 2020.
2022. 2020.
Did I just say 2020?
You just did what I always do.
Opening day 2022.
I always do. But I'm like 2021. Jake's like, it's 22. I'm like, oh yeah, it is. But yeah, stick with us, man. We're having a blast, dude. Jake lets me warm up and lets me film him shoot a deer. So what a shame.
You're welcome.
What a shame. We're having fun. I hope all you guys are having fun, being safe, and having success. So see what happens this afternoon. Could get crazy. So 2 deer down. And it's only opening day. Alright folks, we're back. Different setup. I'm back on what I call the East Road. Is usually where I rifle hunt in the afternoon. And I was sitting with Jake there for a while, and man, we saw a lot of deer. We didn't film them all, a lot of does. Did get the film of Jake shooting the one, but look who I got here now. The other broski. What's up, guys? Jesse, the other bandit of Peterson Outdoor Films. He's not on a lot. But, there we go. That's better. But, Jesse's slinging the old odd 6. I got the 270. So Jake's got a deer down, I got a deer down. Now we're going to post out on this road. A lot of times they come out here in the afternoon trying to work their way to a field to the east of us. So, hopefully we see some deer. The runways back here just pounded, so I wouldn't be very surprised if we didn't see deer. But Jesse came out for the afternoon. This is the first time we've actually hunted together on an opening night. Ever. For a while, the opening night, never. Maybe never. Not an opening night, no. Usually I'm by myself. That's true, yeah. But hopefully we can sling some lead, slap some leather tonight and see what happens. So stick with us. First doe that comes out, Jesse's gonna pop it. If we get a buck comes out, I want to see Jesse blast that too. Shoot him! I'm gonna try my best to get it on film here. It's, sometimes they get across these roads quick. It's just a road, you don't got long. No, usually it can be a split-second decision, so... And especially if a big one comes out, it's like, oh God, please just lay him down. So, but stick with us, hope we can get into some action. We're excited, so here we go. Oh, dude, it's gonna come down this way, though. Shit, just wish a buck come walk up behind it. Oh, just let it come, though. If it keeps coming, then you can shoot it. It ain't very big, I don't think. That's a mature doe. Is it? Oh, yeah. She's looking big, but... Oh, that's a mature doe. That's gonna go to this field, First deer spotted of the evening. Doe. Yeah. But she's only out there about, that's it, 250. That's like 150 yards away, maybe 200 yards. Oh, that's... Because it's 3 to the end of it, ain't it? Oh, that's not what you said. She was probably 250. It's a long ways. Sometimes what they'll do is they'll go down the rows and then they'll come back out. Sneak they go, yeah. So you never know. Just watch. Alright. She's going down. You really want me to shoot that thing? I'm right on it. Stop it. Alright. She hit him. Yeah. Good shot. She's going down. Got it. Jesse. Yes. Okay, number 1. Ain't going nowhere. Look like a year and a half old doe. She looked like she shoveled right down to the corner there. Yeah. Alright. What do we got going on here, bro? See a little brown through the green moving. Little doe came out. Had plenty of time to decide. Well, had to make a decision quick because she wasn't going to stop unless we stopped her, but we stopped her. Justin says shoot, so I said okay. We'll put it at me. Like, damn right. Last year I thought I saw antlers on a deer that didn't have none in it. It got me on film saying that. I gotta make up for it here. It was a clean shot, or it should be. Which is an hour and a half. Shut up. Last year, you gotta tell nobody that part. No, I don't think she made her too far into the corner there. She was tired. I can see her butt shoveling into the corner. I think she's down. It's an easy shot. Are you reloaded? Do not watch a buck come on. I'm reloaded. Dude, if another doe comes out, you can whack her or what?
Why not?
Watch it. Folks,
my freezer's empty, so
You heard it. I didn't say that. Why not, Rick? He goes, you want me to shoot that? I'm like, I want you to shoot it. We're hoping for a close one. Well, they don't get much closer than that. So.
No, it's plenty close. I don't want them any closer than that.
Thinking that was, Jesse's on the board on opening day. So I told him, I was like, get your butt out here. You don't know what you're missing. So, all right, stay tuned, folks. Yes, Jake's got one down. Jesse's got one down. I got one down. All in the same day, bro.
That's true. I can't done that in a while.
Yeah. Or stay tuned, folks. Hopefully we can bang another one here. Right here, right here. Shh. Go slow. Stop it. It's a mature dog. Hang on. Camera's not on. Camera's not on. Camera's not on. Hang on. Hang on. Okay. Hang on. Say when. Whenever. Okay, now. Yep. She's dead. Oh, she dropped right there. You hear it? No. Hang on. Okay. Hang on. Say when. Whenever. Okay, now. Yep. She's dead. Oh, she dropped right there. You hear it?
No, but I knew she was gonna because that was a.
She heard her go down.
There it is, a better size one. She's a little bigger. I like that one. I think it's time to buy more tanks.
What the? Two deer in what? 10 minutes?
Under 10.
5 minutes?
5 minutes, maybe. Freezer's not empty anymore, that's for sure. No, I gotta.
Now we wait for
I was
bugs.
gonna say now, if it ain't got a rack, it ain't getting. I ain't shooting.
I looked right over and I seen her. I was like, right here. I seen her coming out.
Glad you saw that one, because I probably wouldn't saw her in
The
time.
camera, I was like, camera's not on. It was trying to turn on. I'm like, just wait. Like, stand there. Just
I was so she wouldn't go because she was looking right
It
at me.
zoomed in so perfect.
She waited.
What up,
Another one down.
Dude, first time Jesse's ever killed 2 in one day, right?
An opening. Yeah, might as well say that because I can't remember the last time. It's been a while.
But I
About
mean,
years.
either way, dude.
I don't hunt that much. So.
Dude, they pouring out now, son.
Yeah.
Alright, now we gotta wait for words. Slapping that leather and being a snug door films, baby. Get her done. That one there, I heard her pretty much shovel. I don't think she made her.
She hopped right off the ground, both feet.
Didn't go 20, guaranteed. But, alright, now we gotta watch for a buck. We got a lot of time yet.
Well, folks, opening day 2022 Wisconsin gun season. I'd say we did good. Me and brother Jake were out all day. Jesse came out this afternoon, which is a blessing. I mean, Jesse's doesn't have the best health sometimes, but you know what? Brother Jesse killed 2 deer tonight. Jake killed one, which that'll be on a different video you can watch. I did not get a video of my doe this morning, but I don't know, we had a great day. I mean, 4 deer. I mean, that's awesome. I mean, we're blessed. We're thankful all the time. I mean, it's meat. I mean, thank you, Jesus, for what we do. We saw a lot of deer today between me and Jake, and then me hunting with Jesse this afternoon. I think I saw upwards of almost, I think, 50 deer today. And Jake saw more deer. We saw a lot, did we not? It was a lot. So, yeah, I mean, we saw a couple small bucks, no shooter bucks, but we'll take some slicks, and that'll be good eating. I'm not going to complain, and this is the first time ever that all 3 of us brothers have shot deer in the same day. So what a blessing and a pretty cool experience. And I got to sit with Jake, film him, go film Jesse. I mean, that's a wonderful day. Like I said, I couldn't be happier. I mean, I hope you guys liked the video. We did the best we could. So always stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and we'll get you some more content soon. So thank you.